दाबोळे विमानतळाचेर विमानां देंवोवपा खातीर रनवे कमी पडटालो. देखून विमानतळाचेर विमानां देंवोवपाचेर बंधनां येतालीं. त्या खातीर विमानतळ प्राधिकरणान आनी नौदळाच्या जोडपालवान दाबोळे विमानतळाचेर आनीक एक रनवे तयार केला. शुक्रारा दीस ताचें उक्तावण केलां. नवीन बांदिल्ल्या रनवेच्या आनीक चांचण्यो करपाचे आसात. ते जातकच विमानां देंवोवपा खातीर उक्तो करतकच विमानां देंवोवपा खातीर तशेंच विमानांची संख्या वाडोवपाकय मेळटली, अशी माहिती विमानतळाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी दिल्या.
Facility would be for Goa Navy.
This is an extremely important facility, and as was explained by the airport director, this will ensure that soon after landing, the aircraft can clear off the main runway, and the runway occupancy time will reduce to a large extent. For example, for takeoffs, after entering the runway, take off. It used to enter the runway and it took 6 minutes to backtrack and take off. So we are straight away saving 6 minutes on each of the departures. So what you just witnessed was the landing. Now in the takeoff, it's in that portion over there, you can line up to 3 aircraft, and in quick succession you can launch the aircraft. We were able to handle only about 15 aircraft per hour. We have already raised it to 17 aircraft, and hopefully we'll come up to 18 aircraft also, thanks to the parallel taxi track. It was a joint contract which was, the cost was shared between the Navy and the airport authority, and thanks to the cooperation between the Navy as well as the AAI, we were able to, the airport authority was able to complete this project in time, and it will greatly assist us in the operations in the years to come.
Can you give us a status update on the proposed runway repairs to improve?
So we have worked out the modalities of runways, the repair of the runway on Saturdays between 7:30 to 11:30. So in this 4-hour period, we had actually asked for 5 hours, but then realizing that there was an important requirement for some of the tour operators to land at 11:30. But these are long-distance aircraft, which because of departure timings from their respective countries, it had to land at 11:30. So we have proactively worked out these schedules with the tour operators as well as the airport authority, and we are able to carry out our repairs in this 4-hour period. So there's a lot of excellent cooperation between Airport Authority of India, the airport director as well as the INS Hansa, which operates the airbase, and thanks to which we've been able to undertake safe and efficient flying operations here. And we will continuously look at improving this in the months to come.
By when will the repairs be complete?
No, the repairs are an ongoing process, because what happens is now there are a total of more than 70 to 80 movements. When I say movement, it's a landing and a takeoff. So it is a continuous process. So you have these repair slots in all runways, including Bombay and Delhi. It doesn't come too much in the news because these are multiple runway operating airports. So some have 2, some have 3. So when they are repairing it, carrying out repairs on one runway, the other runway is operated. So that's why no one comes to know that it's closed. While in our case, since it's just one runway, we come to know that there is an issue. But these repairs are an ongoing process. So in fact, Commodore Patwadri is the commanding officer of ANSA. So he's got an excellent team with his dynamic leadership. Lots has been achieved, and I'm sure we'll continue to cooperate.
Project is complete. Now we are using but trial operations. Is that because once we put such a system into a regular operation, before that you have to go through trial, see things, any difficulties, any fine tuning is required. So that process is going on.
By when it will be perfectly operational?
It is in operations.
So what is the total area? What is the total distance of
Total length is around 3 kilometers.
3 kilometers?
So we have widened our taxi tracks. We have widened the taxi tracks of Navy also. So this will enhance the operational capability of Indian Navy also, because we have developed different connections. So in case of need, this can serve as an alternative runway in case anything goes wrong on the main runway. This parallel taxi track will going to serve as an alternate runway for fighter planes also. So this is ICAO standard code E requirements we have met fully. जैसे आप देखते हैं बाकी जगहों पर, उसी तरीके से हमने मेजर एयरपोर्ट्स में उसी तरीके से इसको डेवलप किया। प्राइमरीली जो फेज़ 1 है वो हम ऑलरेडी ट्रायल रन में ऑपरेशन कर चुके हैं। अभी जो बैलेंस पार्ट था पीटीटी का, उसको हमने ऑपरेशन में डाला है। इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट की कॉस्ट विल बी रफली अराउंड 175 to 180 करोड़ फाइनल अमाउंट निकलेगा। और इस प्रोजेक्ट के कंप्लीट होने से जो सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज है कि जो रनवे ऑक्यूपेंसी टाइम था हमारा वो रिड्यूस होगा। हमारे जो ATCOs के ऊपर प्रेशर रहता था एयरक्राफ्ट का, बिकॉज गोवा बहुत बिजी एयरपोर्ट है, वो प्रेशर उनके ऊपर से रिड्यूस होगा। बिकॉज टैक्सी ट्रैक जो 26 से लैंड कर रहा है वो इस PTT पे आ जाएगा। या 747 बोइंग एयरक्राफ्ट थे जो पूरा रनवे ट्रेवर्स करते थे वापस, उनको पूरा रनवे ट्रेवर्स करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो हमारे पास रनवे ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए अवेलेबल रहेगा। अब रनवे ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए अवेलेबल रहेगा तो उसमें हमारे पास गुंजाइश है कि हम 1-2 जहाज़ों को और बढ़ा सकते हैं, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दी सिचुएशन। जो हम ट्रायल रन में हमने इसको डाला है तो उसके हिसाब से देख के सारी कैलकुलेशन हम करेंगे। दिस पैरेलल टैक्सी ट्रैक इज़ कैपेबल ऑफ हैंडलिंग wide bodied aircraft. With 747 E series aircraft can be easily handled by this parallel taxi track. So it's a great achievement for this airfield, and it's a joint effort between Airport Authority of India and Indian Navy